Commas, rules and regulations. There are several rules we have to follow when using commas in our writing. Let's explore those rules. Rule number 1. Use commas to separate the day and the year. They also separate the city and the state. Rule number 2. Use commas in letters after the greeting and the closing. Rule number 3. Use commas to separate an introductory phrase from the rest of the sentence. These are words like yes and no. Rule number 4. Use commas to separate items in a series. Rule number 5. Use commas to separate the direct address noun from the rest of the sentence. This would be a person's name. Rule number 6. Use commas to separate appositives from the rest of the sentence. And a positive tells who the person is that you're talking about. You can leave that out and the sentence will still make sense. So let's review. You can use commas to separate a day and year, city and state, at the end of a greeting and closing of a letter, for an introductory phrase, items in a series, a direct address noun, and to separate an appositive from the rest of the sentence. Now, your assignment is to go into a classroom book and to find 3 sentences that use commas and write them on a piece of paper and turn them into your teacher.